What are these guys doing, bro? Yeah. What? What the hell is going on here? Sorry. Yeah, I didn't jump.
For Sparta!
For Sparta! Hull. Full ambush. Holy. Full ambush. Okay. First boss fight.
Spartan! I'll get drunk on
Woo.
your blood as the
Come on, come get drunk on my blood, bro.
Once I'm done with
What
you,
did I just do?
all of Sparta's sons will be
Ugh.
Tell your boss he can stick it.
Bam. Bow. Did Bow. Did it. Do. Okay, tough guy. You're not going. Oh, Stone Fist, come here, boy. Hold. Okay.
No. Wait.
Alright. Come on. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, I gotta escort this guy. But he's fighting the fucking final boss. Oh my god. Whew. Oh my fucking god. How do I just... Fire. I don't have fire. How do I get fire?
What are you saying? That I'm too stupid for it?
Chris, we're over here.
What are you saying?
This is a little bit of a awkward situation here. What are these guys doing, bro? Ah, clueless. I'm pressing T. I need to hold. Oh my god, I could have been done a long time ago. Oh my fuck. All by myself. Oh my god. This is the battle, guys. Battle of Six, okay. Hey man, what are you standing here? We have fighting to do, eh? Come on. Help. Help. Yes! Oh my god, finally. Jesus Christ. Oh, I ain't gonna kill that. Oh, a little bit of damage. I ain't gonna kill that. This is not Eden. I don't know what the f this is. Big bad big guy. I didn't do that. Nice assassination, bro. Whee. Yeah, I didn't jump here. Hello, brother. Hey, brother. There's an endless road.
Gods, why did it have to be snakes?
Hurry!
What?
The snakes before it's too late! Help me! If you leave this
Why are
snakes
there...
will kill me!
Yeah. What? Aha. Alright. What the f was that?
You're simply delaying the.
I ain't gonna kill this guy. Not a chance.
That's all of it. I should go to the girl and the witch.
Sorry. Sorry. Help! Why are they all attacking me? Nah.
Don't mind her. She likes to watch.
This guy. I don't know, man.
Authority.
This seems like a essay. What the f- I have fought here half an hour and there's still guys here. I was looking for a job and then I found the job. But heaven knows I'm miserable now. Sorry guys, sorry I hit you. Get the f out of here. Come on. Guys. No, what are you doing here, mate? This guy. What the f do you even want? Oh, it's so f***ing over. Oh my god, there's one more. Ah, fuck my f***ing life. Oh my god. Can we not go this way? Yeah, can we go fast? We need to go fast. Sorry. Sorry, kid. Leonidas, what the f are you doing here? No.
Come and get it.
Brasidas. Who the f is Brasidas?
Everyone look at us. Who the fuck is that guy? They look like
Oi. Oh. Bye bye. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little bee. What the hell is going on here? Why is there a peak burning all? Why is there a lion? When I fight one guy, 100 guys come. 3 guys. Why? Just fucking why? Why are they on boats? No. Go. Fuck. Why are they here?
Likes to be royal.
What the fuck is this? Who the... How did you win, bro?
Gives us a hug.
Surely he can swim.
Okay. Easy. Easy, not easy. Oh, there are 3 mercenaries on me. Oh. I like this game, Come here, Pau. Pausinas. Bye-bye. Look at this. What? Come on, mate. You're burning, mate. What the fuck are you doing? What is that? Come on. Finish this. Finish it. 1 HP. Come on, mate. Nah. Yes. What? What were those cutscenes?
By the power of the gods!
Okay, guys. What?
That's good leather.
Ah. Okay. Ah, rip this guy.
Everyone look at us. Who the fuck is that guy? They look.
No.
Personally.
Oh. What?
Shit.
Pujaka, 619. Pujaka, 619. Get owned, kid. Ah.
No one will save you this time.
Goodbye. I didn't even know the game was over, but the game is over. So, yeah. Hui.